it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and today I have yet another Oppo Find N case for you. It's just a clear plastic card case. I ordered it online. I've ordered so many cases. A couple of those cases got canceled, so this is one that actually made it through. They have to come from overseas because, again, this isn't something that's sold in the US. So let's get into the package. This is definitely a hard plastic case, not TPU. I was looking for something more or less to show the beauty of this phone. So we're just gonna snap this on. Try not to break it. I did replace the screen protector on the front with matte, and I covered the inside with a matte protector as well recently. So I'm gonna be careful with installing these. Don't wanna mess your freshly installed protectors like I'm about to do. Rub that back down and try this again. Everything is harder behind the camera, people, if you didn't know. Let's see, I think I got it that time. Although I did pull my screen protector up slightly here at the bottom, everything else looks pretty good. Everything looks installed. It's about the most sleek look you're gonna get for this phone. Here's our inside. Case has no lip, as it shouldn't. It's a foldable. We have a slight lip across the sides. This side over here is curved screen, and I'm lifting my screen protector. Try to push it back down because we did a great install and I don't want to ruin it. And I don't want to have to replace it just because of a case. This shouldn't damage your OEM. If you're like me and you installed another screen protector, you want to be careful if you get this case because it's wanting to pull up my screen protector fiercely. Along the side we have buttons for our volume up and down. They work fine. Fingerprint scanner and the power button are fully exposed, so you should have no problems getting to that. Full chop out at the bottom for our charging port, and we have holes so we can hear everything. Mic has a hole for it. I can see my SIM card slot, cannot get to it, and there's another hole for the mic on top. There is a lip for the camera. We installed a tempered glass camera protector. I can see it, but the lip is higher than the camera protector, and that's a good thing.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, now.
Speakers work fine. You should have been able to hear my intro for my Talking Tech Tuesday. And your hinge is fully exposed with no protection. For the price of this case, which I don't even remember how much it was, but I got this off of eBay. They said they were local, but it took over a week to get here. I will leave you a link in the description. I doubt they're actually local, but a lot of things come into California, and once they get there, they just go ahead and ship them out from there. And that's what I think happened with this. Tracking and everything worked out, but you'll get an alert that your package is waiting to be picked up. And that's because the person who you bought from is waiting for it to arrive from China. If this case doesn't fully destroy my screen protector, because it's pulling it back up, I'll give it an A. Until then, the verdict is still out. I'd like to thank you for dropping by the channel, checking out my clear hard protector case for the Oppo Find N. I will link to multiple other Oppo videos at the end of this video. If you like this video, click the like button. If you've enjoyed a number of videos on this channel, you might want to subscribe. Subscriptions are free. I also have memberships if you'd like to support the channel. Those cost money. I'd like to thank you for your time because I know time is money. And I hope to catch you on my next video on this channel. Holla!